Cause I'm a boss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I installed my Hergivenhair hair extensions. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever trying natural hair extensions. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to co-wash. I'm using cold water and I'm just trying to get the bundle all wet up. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my conditioner. So let's get into the specs of this hair. Hair texture is curly 3B 3C. So it's their curly 3B 3C hair texture and the length is 20 inches. I only needed one bundle for a full head. So you guys will see how that looks here towards the end of this video. And I'm just combing through the hair, I'm detangling it, trying to get all the knots out. And you want to co-wash when you receive the hair because it's going to loosen up a little bit and it's going to look more natural. So make sure you co-wash once you receive the hair and detangle and all of that. And also make sure you're able to, run your fingers through it. And then I just allowed my clip-ins to air dry. So I let them air dry overnight. So as you can see, I have my protective style. You guys see me wear this style all the time under my wigs. This is how my hair is. And then also when I go to the gym, I'll just do individual braids and I'll throw a bun like this on the top of my head. And that's pretty much like my protective styling for gym sessions and just at night when I remove my wigs and all of that. So what I'm doing basically is just taking down my braid out. I'm just making a simple braid out. Now my hair is about a week old with this braid out, so it's still moisturized because it was protected, but it's not super moisturized, and I didn't want it to be because I didn't want oil and product to get into the clip-ins, because whenever oil and product gets in clip-ins, the hair is like, I don't know, it's just weighed down. It just doesn't look the same. So this is about a week old braid out from doing a protective style and doing the lock method. So I just wanted to point that out. So it's not necessarily dry, but it's not as moisturized as it could be, but I don't want it to be because I don't want the oil to get in the extensions. So this is what the extensions look like after air drying overnight, and I'm just going to go ahead and install. Now this part right here, I would change. I would braid up the nape of my neck and I would put the clip-ins on top of that because I just didn't like how it looked after about an hour or so. You could tell the hair on the nape of my neck was just, it didn't look uniformal. So if I was to do it again, I would braid the nape of my neck, the hair back there, and then I would put my clip-ins on top of that, and then I would put hair in between my hair. I would put clip-ins in between my hair. So I would say just the nape of the neck, and then the rest of the way up, I would just go ahead and add in clip-ins in between. That's the only thing I would change with my install. But I'm loving how my curl pattern, my braid out, it blended so well with this hair texture that they sent me. It is gorgeous. And also, I'll make sure to leave all information down below in the description box, links, hair details, clip-in details, and all of that. And right here was when I doubled up the clip-ins because my hair is super thick. So I just put 2 clip-ins on top of each other. You don't have to do that, it's optional. It's just my hair is so thick and I felt like if I didn't, it wouldn't look right. And then also I'm always leaving the perimeter out, and then I'm putting the clip-in behind it and, blending it in. And I really didn't even use a comb to do this, you guys. Like I literally was just fingering it. To ensure that it looked more uniform towards the top or towards the front of my face, I went ahead and used a comb, but it's really not necessary. So I'm just adding in, filling in, and blending it all out with my fingers. And I'm doing the same on the other side, making sure it looks more uniform. And when I applied the clip-ins, like I tried not to comb through my hair or anything. I just tried to toss. That's why I was fingering it, you know, all the way up until I got to this point. And yeah, that pretty much completes this demonstration install tutorial, you guys. This was so easy, and I like how I can basically have my protective style during the week, and then on the weekends I could just take out my protective style and just add some clip-ins in and go. It also allows my scalp to breathe. It's just a nice switch up other than, you know, just wearing my normal wig. So right now I'm just doing my edges, you know, gotta use my good little toothbrush. And I'm just making it all come together. I'm just making the look all come together. Trying to get my little, you know, baby hairs together. And I don't know what edge control I'm using. I'm either using jam. No, I'm not using jam because I don't like oil. I don't like jam getting in my hair extensions. I don't like it being oily. I think I'm using touchdown edge control. I'm pretty sure. Or I don't know what I use, y'all. I switched between so many different ones. So this is what it looks like. I love it. It's beautiful. Make sure you check out Hergivenhair. I'll make sure to leave all information down below in the description box, and also stay tuned for my final thoughts. I just wanted to give you some important tips on hair extensions, natural hair extensions, and my opinion on how it would look better if you were to do this simple step before you install your hair extensions. So stay tuned for that. Before I end this video, I just wanted to give my final thoughts on the hair and the clip-ins itself. This is like my first time ever doing clip-ins on my natural hair. So the hair came in this bag, and I only needed one bundle to achieve this. So I didn't need two or anything like that. I just got the bundle deal, clip-in deal that they have. So I'll make sure to leave links down below in the description box. I don't actually remember the curl pattern, but I'll make sure to leave that information down below in the description box. I just wanted to come on camera and give you my final thoughts. The best advice that I could give you though when it comes to clip-ins and natural hair, one thing that I noticed is that if my hair wasn't shaped previously, if my natural hair was not shaped, I don't think I would have got the best results. So I would advise that if you're looking into getting natural hair clip-ins, get your hair shaped, get it trimmed, and then go ahead and get some clip-ins and add them in. I feel like you'll have a better experience by doing that. But if you were to just add in some clips and you not shape your hair or anything like that, it's gonna fall how it's going to fall. But if you get it shaped, it's gonna fall into a shape when you add in the clip-in. So that's the best advice that I can give you with natural hair and clip-ins. I absolutely love this style. It's very easy to put in. As I demonstrated earlier in this video, it's super easy, you guys, and it's quick. So I like to wear my hair in protective style. I like to keep it braided. So it's kind of nice that, you know, I'll keep it braided during the week, and then on the weekends I can take out my braid out and then just add in clip-ins. So it's really something to think about. I'll make sure to leave all information down below in the description box. So that's all that I have for you guys for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload, and I'll catch you in my next one.